Ladies and gentlemen, Iran is once again making headlines. That's right. Because while one tragedy has raised a lot of questions, another military announcement has raised fresh fear of a wider conflict. The fragile calm in West Asia, it may not last for very long. In fact, Iran's very powerful, the IRGC, they have claimed that they have carried out attacks on 8 US military sites in Kuwait and Bahrain in retaliation for recent American strikes. In fact, Iran has also warned that the Strait of Hormuz will remain under its own control for the coming weeks, and it has questioned that any further American military action, it could make the whole situation even more dangerous. These claims have immediately raised a lot of concerns across the international community. You know why? Because the Strait of Hormuz, it is one of the world's most important shipping routes. Nearly one-fifth of the world's oil supply passes through this narrow corridor every single day. So if military tensions increase here, global energy market would be affected within hours. And at the very same time, there is another side to this story. Even while exchanging threats, Iran and the US, both the nations have reportedly agreed to resume technical talks in Qatar to discuss a long-term agreement. That means diplomacy, it has not completely ended here, even as military tension continues. And this creates a very, very unusual situation. On one side, negotiations continue, but on the other side, military bondings do continue as well. That is exactly why global markets remain nervous. Countries across the Gulf are closely monitoring every single development here because even a small misunderstanding, it could trigger another round of confrontation here. Well, for now, the world is hoping diplomacy succeeds. Before any military escalation, it changes everything. Just when people thought tension in West Asia, they were beginning to calm down, another tragic incident has grabbed global attention. And this time, it happened in Saudi Arabia. Ladies and gentlemen, a helicopter belonging to Saudi oil giant Aramco crashed near Ras Tanura on country's eastern coast, killing all 14 people on board. The exact reason behind the crash, that is still unknown, and Saudi authorities have launched an investigation just to find out what caused the whole tragedy. But let's be honest here, the timing of the crash, it has made this whole incident even more significant. Only days earlier, Aramco had resumed crude oil loading operations after nearly 4 months of disruption caused by the US and Iran conflict. Oil exports have finally started moving again, and many believed that stability was slowly returning to the Gulf region. Now, if we talk about Ras Tanura, it is one of the world's most important oil export terminals. Every single day, millions of barrels of crude oil, it passes through this particular region before reaching the international market. So any disruption over here, it immediately attracts global attention because it can affect the oil prices, shipping routes, and energy supplies across the globe. Although officials, they have not really linked the helicopter crash to Iran, maybe for the timing. But the whole incident, it once again highlights how sensitive the Gulf region remains. Well, every accident, every military moment, and every security incident, it now carries a much greater significance because the entire world is watching. Here, investigators are examining flight records, weather condition, technical data, just to determine exactly what happened with that helicopter. Until then, many questions, they remain unanswered.